Join me as I take on the challenge of making money just by reading books from the comfort of my home. You can actually get paid for doing something you love. And I'm excited to dive into the various ways you can turn your passion for reading into a profitable venture. Please don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring videos on how to make money. On your notification bell so you will not miss any video. Many people think reading is just a hobby, something you do in your free time to relax and escape reality. It's often seen as a solitary activity, not something that can be monetized or turned into a career. This mindset can be limiting as it prevents people from exploring the many opportunities available to them. People who love reading often face the challenge of finding ways to make a living from their passion, as it's not always clear how to turn it into a profitable venture. The perception that reading is just a hobby can be a significant obstacle for those who want to make a career out of it. Reading can be a valuable skill, and with the right approach, it can be leveraged to earn money. There are several legitimate ways to make money reading books, such as becoming a book reviewer or freelance editor. You can offer your services to authors, publishers, or websites that need people to review books, providing them with feedback on the content, writing style, and overall quality of the book. Another option is to join a reading program that pays for reviews where you get to read books and share your thoughts with others. Some companies even pay people to read books and provide feedback, which can be a great way to earn money. You can also consider creating content around the books you read, such as videos, podcasts, and blog posts, and monetize them through advertising or sponsorships. One person who turned their love for reading into a profitable venture is a successful book reviewer who started by reviewing books on their blog. They built a large following and were eventually approached by publishers to review their books, which led to paid opportunities and even a book deal. This success story shows that it's possible to turn your passion for reading into a career, and with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your goals. The key is to be creative and find ways to monetize your skills, whether it's through reviewing books, creating content, or offering services to authors and publishers. By leveraging your love for reading, you can open yourself up to new opportunities and create a fulfilling career. Recap of the main points. Making money from reading books is a real possibility. There are many ways to do so, from becoming a book reviewer to joining a reading program, and even creating content around the books you read. If you've made money reading books or have thoughts on this topic, share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video for tips on becoming a successful book reviewer.